Hey guys, what's up? It's all mine today. No one's here, so it's really good. No one's here, so we're gonna be flying there. Yeah, hope you can see my fingers. Yeah, right there. So, yeah, I want to talk about how I started with FPV, and also I have some thoughts about the BLHELI thing that I heard. Although I may be, oh look at what's that sound? Although I may have wrong thoughts about BLHELI, but that's just me, you know. So yeah, guys. Oh, also, I'd like to show you that I made another version of the stickcam mount. Yesterday, this was really wobbly, but now I'm pressing it really hard. So and it won't actually, see? Like the other day, yesterday, it was really wobbly. So, and you can see from my video, it was shaking a lot. Right? Anyways, so, is it recording? Yeah, it's recording. So I started FPV in June of 2019, and I previously owned a Parrot Anafi. It's a GPS drone, and I came across a video on Reddit, and I made a comment there. That's not real, because the drone was like flippy floppy, right? And then it was really cool. I wrote, oh, that's camera effect, and then someone reached out to me. No, it's not. It's called FPV drones. So I joined. He told me to join a Discord channel. Couldn't remember what it was since it's been 2019. And then yeah, they helped me build a quad. And at that moment, that time that I started asking questions, I was asking about what's the best frame, what's the best motors, what's the best battery. And someone was telling me there, no, don't 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 buy the expensive stuff, because in 6 months you'll just break them. And at first 2 weeks I didn't believe, and I decided to, you know what, maybe they're right. So I bought a how do you call this? TBS Source One version 3. Yeah, that's the one. I remember it was like $23 only. And then I also bought a cheap motor, a 2306 1750 Emax Echo. Yeah, that's the one. And for the props, I remember buying doll props, gem fan, and they were like 4.7 in pitch. It was really fast. And then also the first one I bought was actually the radio controller. Yeah, this. And they told me, yeah, you know what, you need to buy a liftoff, so that way you can get a feel of how to fly FPV drones, right? So I did, and it was weird that I could not get the quad to fly properly in liftoff, and I was able to fly maybe after 10 days. I don't know, maybe kids are much more quicker to learn, and I just couldn't learn, you know. I didn't have any FPV friends, so I had to do it myself. And then on the 15th hour playing or using liftoff, that's when I started to become like, oh, okay, it's nice, this is nice. And then told myself I need to buy a goggle, so I got myself um, a Fat Shark Dominator V3 goggles. Yeah, it was horrible because I have bad eyes. I'm farsighted, and then when you look through the the Dominator V3, it's very blurry. I could not see well. And then yeah, 15th hour to 20th hour, I decided, you know what, I'll stop using liftoff. I just want to go out. So I went out to this place, a big field, and it was fun, man. It was fun, but I crashed a lot. And that's how I started. It was in like June, between June and July or August when I started FPV. And I got the DJI goggles in 2020. Yeah, I broke so many parts. Yeah, I broke so many parts. Yeah, it was fun. Anyways, about BLHELI, yeah, I think I heard someone there is being abused. But for us, I don't think we have to worry. Maybe this is just my thoughts. I still have the old hex files, as well as the software for installing the firmwares. So as long as you have the software, the BLHELI software, you'll still be able to update or patch your BLHELI 32 ESC, right? Or the other one is you can just buy a non-BLHELI 32 ESC and instead buy a Blue Jay one that an ESC that supports Blue Jay. All right? Is it still recording? Yeah, it's still recording. So yeah, I always go for the free ones, you know. I don't know if that's a good one. That's what I've been doing since 1992. So yeah, I don't think it's a good thing. It's a good skill because you're not helping the community. But yeah, that's how you do it, guys. Just keep the old software, old yeah, old tools that will patch the firmware to your ESC or your flight controller. Yeah, that's how you do it, guys.
Oh, really?
Yep. So yeah, that's all I wanted to share, guys. That's my thoughts on the ESC, BLHELI, as well as how I started flying. All right, you know what? Let's get started flying. Alrighty, guys, we'll get started.
That's how I got it. It's upside down. Some people got it upside down. Huh? Oh, there's two pieces.
Oh, someone. What was it?
Joey.
Josie? Josie?
London.
Landon? Landon Swidrowski?
Vincent.
I need to free up the space in my okay. Yeah.
Alrighty, guys, that was great. So I almost hit that one underneath, and look at my hands shaking again. Adrenaline. Oh, I should see that gap there. I think I should enter that gap. There's a tiny gap there. I think we should. Yeah, I think we should. Yeah.
It looks nice. It looks like
Maybe next time, not now.